there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions without the headache. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Comgro Ender 3 and the Sovol SV06. It's gonna be a showdown, folks. So grab your popcorn, because this is gonna be more exciting than watching paint dry, which, let's face it, some 3D printers make you feel like you're doing. First up, let's talk price. The Ender 3 comes in at $232, while the SV06 is slightly pricier at $249. For those keeping score at home, that's a $17 difference. That's almost enough to buy yourself a stress ball to squeeze while you wait for your print to finish. So if you're pinching pennies, the Ender 3 wins this round. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Next, assembly. The Ender 3 claims you can get it up and running in about 2 hours with just 20 nuts to tighten. So if you're like me and only know how to use a wrench because you once watched Bob the Builder, this is a plus. On the other side, the SV06 boasts a modular design that lets you assemble it in just 5 steps. 5 steps, people. I've had relationships more complicated than that. Point goes to the SV06 for making life easy. Now, let's talk extruders. The Ender 3 has an upgraded extruder that reduces the risk of plugging and bad extrusion. In other words, it's like having a plumber on speed dial. Meanwhile, the SV06 has a planetary dual-gear direct drive extruder. Sounds fancy, right? It's self-developed, provides higher drive ratio, and even has a large external knob for easy feeding. Basically, it's the Gordon Ramsay of extruders, precise and a little bit extra. SV06 takes this one. Printing capability is a biggie. The Ender 3 can resume printing after a power outage. So if you live in a place where the lights flicker more than a disco, this is your guy. The SV06, on the other hand, can print up to a scorching 300. That's hotter than my oven on Thanksgiving. It also has a 25-point auto-leveling system to make sure your prints come out perfect every time. Sorry, Ender 3, but the SV06 just brought a flamethrower to a candle fight. It plates. The Ender 3 heats up to 100 degrees in just 5 minutes, which is faster than I can microwave a Hot Pocket. But the SV06 has a flexible PEI-coated build plate with a mesh surface design. This means you can remove prints easily without any tools. No more chiseling your print off like you're an archaeologist. SV06 gets this one too. Finally, let's talk noise. The Ender 3 boasts palm wheels for smooth and noiseless operation, but the SV06 has a self-developed 32-bit silent board with TMC 2209 drivers. Translation: it's quieter than a ninja tiptoeing through a library. If you don't want your 3D printer sounding like a jet engine, the SV06 is the way to go. Both the Comgro Ender 3 and Sovol SV06 have received positive reviews on Amazon. Users appreciate the Ender 3 for its affordability, ease of assembly, and suitability for beginners. However, some recommend making upgrades for better performance. On the other hand, the Sovol SV06 is praised for its excellent print quality, ease of use, and advanced features, although there have been some concerns about customer service. So there you have it, folks. While the Ender 3 is a solid, budget-friendly option, the SV06 just packs in so many features that it's hard to ignore. It's like comparing a trusty old bicycle to a brand new electric scooter. Both will get you from point A to point B, but one does it with a lot more style and ease. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. where we take the guesswork out of your shopping woes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart.